Jeff Sica, do you believe that? I agree with Charlie. I think that corporate earnings, at least this quarter, they may moderate a bit in the next quarter, but I would imagine they'd be pretty solid here. What are you looking at?
Well, I mean, the first thing we have to look at is we have to consider the fact that who is at the party. And you have a lot of people that have been in this market for the last 9 years that have seen this massive amount of appreciation, that really were starved out of the bond market, and they found their way into the stock market as a way to participate in some sort of dividend income paying security. And now they're experiencing what I would consider a very minor amount of volatility when it comes down to it, percentage wise. So those investors, it's a toss-up of how they're going to act. They're not used to volatility. They're used to buying on the dip. They're used to these surges that we have a lot of times when we get major sell-offs. But I agree with Charlie. There are some problems on the horizon, namely to do with the trade war, the potential trade war, that could derail any rally. When you have a market that 50% of the gains in the S&P 500 in the past year and a half or so have come from basically 5 stocks, you can't really trust that market completely.
Art Hogan, I think that's an